Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to select multiple rows and columns in Excel. To illustrate this, I have a spreadsheet. It happens to be a spreadsheet of all the members of the Baseball Hall of Fame with all kinds of information on them, just to have something interesting to use. And there are a number of different ways, just like anything on Excel, there's a number of different ways to accomplish the same thing. So first I'm going to show you the simplest, which you may have already discovered, which is if you want to select multiple columns, just put your cursor at the header of the first column you want to select, click the mouse, and start moving to the right. And as you do that, you're selecting several different columns. Now let's unselect, click somewhere other than where we had selected, and let's do the same thing on the rows. What we're going to do is click on the first row that you want to select, hold the mouse key down, and just drag down, and those are the rows that you're selecting. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to select multiple rows and columns in Excel. Thank you for watching.